Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Pururem. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
There is fear and uncertainty among Goan workers regarding their safety and job security. Evacuation arrangements are required in case of the situation further worsen. Because the government should establish a dedicated desk to work for collecting data on Goans and work with the central government for providing assistance, including a helpline for those in distress. Because the safety of Goans should be our priority. Just saying, Diupachi garaz na mun zaupana. This issue should be taken seriously on top priority.
Just one thing, एक special help desk को देखिए आमगेल्या केपें last 5 days तके पाय मेला he was on the airport काई ना तके पा मोरन डोला आजकाल आमगे नाविल advocate प्रतिमा कुतिनो के पाय मेला तके बोइन दुबई सो निवपा होता तो फाल funeral डोला she was supposed to come today तका ये flight मनसता जाला so एक special है कुछ है speaker sir सरकारान माग दिसता यूएईचे दुबईचे
मेंशन केले
देव गवर्नमेंट they have taken utmost care but आप ये हेल्प देशा जाए दिगा मासे तो एक चार्टर फ्लाइट को नो एको काय ना तुमका चार्टर फ्लाइट में तुमको आहाय सीएम साइड इन तोंड दाखवित तसो.
A daily Goa government Gulf update broadcast is what Goans in the Gulf are asking for, and to look forward that all these people get what they want in a time frame manner. We would want to know what steps the government assures to take. So, Goinkarang Tinga daily updates I. So, I think we would want to have a Goa government Gulf update broadcast daily basis. Ejer kite maake assurance sangpa korba jaise man.
Noted speakers.